Struggling with dandruff? Here are the top 7 natural solutions to help you combat it effectively. First, coconut oil. Rich in fatty acids, it moisturizes the scalp, reducing flaking. Apply a small amount and massage gently into the scalp. Leave it for at least 30 minutes before rinsing. Second, tea tree oil. With its antifungal properties, it tackles the root cause of dandruff. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage into the scalp. Let it sit for 15 minutes before washing off. Third, aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing and anti-inflammatory effects, it helps calm an irritated scalp. Apply the gel directly to the scalp and leave it on for 20 minutes before rinsing. Fourth, apple cider vinegar. Its acidic nature helps restore the scalp's pH balance and fights fungi. Mix equal parts of vinegar and water. Apply to the scalp and rinse after 15 minutes. Fifth, baking soda. Unnatural exfoliant that removes dead skin cells and reduces fungal growth. Create a paste with water. Massage gently into the scalp and rinse thoroughly. Sixth, lemon juice. Its acidity helps balance the scalp's pH, while its antimicrobial properties address fungal issues. Apply freshly squeezed lemon juice, leave for 5 minutes and rinse. Seventh, yogurt. Packed with probiotics, it promotes a healthy scalp environment. Apply plain yogurt to the scalp, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then wash off. Try these natural remedies to keep dandruff at bay and enjoy a healthier scalp. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more health tips.